In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily crop a video in Capcut. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Capcut on your iPhone or Android smartphone and then tap right here at New Project. That will open up your camera roll, and from here, first off, we need to select a video we would like to crop and then hit Add. That will add your video to the timeline here, and first off, we need to select it. And then we need to drag this toolbar a bit to the left until we find Transform. After that, we need to tap at crop, and then it allows us to crop this video. By default, custom is selected, so we can crop our video in this way, in any way we want, to any aspect ratio. However, if we wanna crop it in some specific aspect ratio, let's say 9:16, which is default aspect ratio for TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, you can easily crop it simply by selecting that aspect ratio. And then simply by dragging any edge, any handle, we can easily crop our video in that way. Also here we can choose different aspect ratio. Here we can select 16:9, 1:1, 4:3, and 2:1. And also by dragging that bar left or right, we can tilt our video to any degree we want. Once you are done with that, hit at this check mark, and then to save this video, tap right here at that arrow, and it will start exporting the result video to your camera roll. Just wait until it's done, and then we can close Capcut and open up Photos app, where right here we can easily find the video we have just cropped. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.